This is how to get the Murphy bed down. Once we have it down, I'll show you how to put it back up. First, you're going to want to lower the couch, the top of the couch. You lay it out by picking this up, pull out somewhat, and it'll lay out flat. You're going to undo both of the latches there. You may have to move the bed back and forth a little and move the latch at the same time. Get it out. Then you're going to grab hold of this piece, start pulling it out. It's going to drop down and lock into place. On the bed, you're going to have two straps here. All they do is they snap apart. And then while you're camping, I like to pick the mattress up, slide those under there. The other two, you can drop them down behind the mattress, and you can leave it like that when you're camping as long as you have the bed down. When you're ready to put the bed back up, you need to fish the straps out of the front, pull these out from under the mattress, snap them into place. And then, very important to remember, this locks the bed in place. And this is just a knob that you pull out. Pull the knob out, lift up, push the bed back. Lock the latches in place. And then you can lift on the strap again for the couch. You're going to lift it most of the way up. Grab the back and pull to you. It's going to fold right down.